All right, outdoorsmen, getting ready to head to Las Vegas for a fun outdoor weekend. Leaving out of Baltimore's BWI Airport with the Pimlico racetrack picture in the background. I'm looking forward to an awesome weekend, so let's get outdoors. All right, outdoorsmen, there are some trees in Las Vegas, and we're getting ready to start today's adventure in Las Vegas. Looking forward to spending some time with my wife, hopefully a little time with my son and his friends as we see what we can get ourselves into outdoors in Las Vegas. Let's get outdoors. All right, outdoorsmen, we are at the Flamingo Habitat at the Flamingo Casino and Resort. Got some little ducks in the water. We'll check them out from a different perspective. Let's go see what we can try to find.
That duck right there. I think those are like all those ducks you shoot down in Argentina.
They're like a type of teal, I think.
There was one that had
Like white face.
Yeah.
Cinnamon teal right there. And there's a pelican. Not sure what kind of duck that is, but I'll figure it out.
I'm like, maybe. Okay.
Pretty big koi there. There are a few flamingos. Let's see if we can get a little better perspective.
32-foot cannon crab.
Yeah.
Or no, it's a buckskin bed. It's like an 80s boat that we totally redid. Let's get a pilot house, brand new.
I was gonna say it looked like it had a pilot house on it.
Yeah, but then we just tow a John boat behind us and anchor it up out on the
Alright, outdoorsmen, this is an example of one of several places in Las Vegas that has an outdoor, indoors theme. Pretty cool how well they did it. Nation and just missed a gondola coming under the bridge there. Outdoor and indoor gondola rides. All right, outdoorsmen, this is in Planet Hollywood, another one of the casinos that has that indoor outdoor feel to it. All right, outdoorsmen, wrapping up the walking tour of Las Vegas. Got to see a fair amount of things, certainly not the entire Vegas Strip, but we even lumped in just a little clip there of Fremont Street. It was a tale of two cities, essentially, within one city. The Strip, obviously, is the new area where lots of money is spent. Fremont Street is part of the old part of Las Vegas, the original part of Vegas. So it was great being out. I love the city and really hope you enjoyed what we saw, especially the wildlife that we saw inside the Flamingo Casino. So until next time, get outdoors.